I am going to discuss question number 5 equal to using the properties of determinants and without expanding. Prove that equal to opening of vertical line I have done here. The elements of first row I have written b plus c, q plus r, y plus z. The elements of second row I have written c plus a, r plus p, z plus x. The elements of third row I have written a plus b, p plus q, x plus y. Equal to 2 dot opening of vertical line I have done here. The elements of first row a, p, x. The elements of second row b, q, y. The elements of third row c, r, z. This is the question which I have taken from chapter 4, exercise 4.2, determinant in CRT 12 mathematics. Here I shall write solution. Solution implies that let that equal to opening of vertical line I shall do here. The elements of first row b plus c, q plus r, y plus z. The elements of second row c plus a, r plus p, z plus x. The elements of third row a plus b, p plus q, x plus y. Closing of determinant by vertical line I have done here. What you have to do here? Here you can see this is a peculiar type date of which you have to prove from this date to this date multiplied by 2. So what you have to do here? Here you can see BC, CA, AB. What to do in this case? I shall apply interchange property here. So here I shall write using the property R1 interchange. This is the sign of interchange. R1 interchange to C1. R2 interchange to C2. R3 interchange to C3. Let us see what result will be. So here I shall write date equal to, here you can see this is R1. The R1 interchange to R1 interchange to C1. This means that R1 interchange to C1. In place of C1, R1 will come, and in place of R1, C1 will come. So here I shall write B plus C, C plus A plus B. In place of C1, R1 will be written. In place of R1, C1 will be written. I have written here C1, B plus C, C plus A plus B. This is C1, B plus C, C plus A plus B. So in place of C1, R1 will be written. In place of R1, C1 will be written. In place of R1, C1 will be written. In place of C1, R1 will be written. So that's why R1 interchange to C1. So here you can see new determinant I have formed here. So this is the first row. First row, here the first row, I have got the first row from C1. B plus C, B plus C, B plus C, C plus A, C plus A plus B, A plus B. I have it. And first column will be this one, B plus C, Q plus R, Q plus R, and Y plus Z. Here first column will be taken from first row. B plus C, Q plus R, Y plus Z. Now here it says R2 interchange to C2. So here you can see R2, this is R2. So in place of R2, C2 will be written. So in place of R2, this is R2. So in place of R2, C2 will be written. C2 will be written. So this is C2. So Q plus R. So Q plus R. So here I shall write R plus P. Here I write P plus Q. Just tell you. This is R2. So C2. C2. This is C2. So C2 will be converted into R2. So Q plus R. C2. This is C2. So C2 will be converted into R2 here. Tally Q plus R, R plus P, P plus Q. In the similar way, R3 interchange to C3. So this is R3. The R3 interchange to C3. So in place of R3, I shall write here C3. So C3, Y plus Z. Here write Z plus X. Here write X plus Y. This is the interchanging rule of rows and columns. R1 interchange to C1, R2 interchange to C2, R3 interchange to C3. I have done here. Here first column, here first column will become here. Here first row. Repeat once again. Here first row will become here first column. Here second row will become here second column. Here third row will become here third column. So here you can see this is the third row will become here third column. A plus B, P plus Q, X plus Y. Here second row will become here second column. C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X. Here first row will be converted into first column here, B plus P, Q plus R, Y plus Z. This is the determinant by the using property R1 interchange to C2, R2 interchange to C2, R3 interchange to C3. I have done here. So this thing I have got here. Third property. Third property of determinant I have applied here. R1 interchange to C1, R2 interchange to C2, R3 interchange to C3. I have applied here. What you have to do here? Here you can see CC there. Here EA is there. So my aim is that only take single element. Here two elements are there. So I have to take only single element in this case. So what you have to do here? This is C3. So this if you take here C3, so C3 minus this one will be added. C3 minus this one, so A will be abolished, and C3 minus this one, B will be abolished. So you will get here double of C. So here I shall use the property. By using property, by using the property C3 goes to C3 minus in bracket C1 plus C2. This property I shall use here. So here I shall write det equal to, here you can see C3 goes to C3 minus in bracket C1 plus C2 bracket close. So here I have written C3 goes to, the only changes will occur in, here I have written C3 goes to, C3 goes to, this means that changes will occur in third column. There will be no changes in first column and second column. This means that first column and second column will be written as it is. So here write B plus C. Here write C plus A. Leave spaces for the writing of third column, which I shall decide later on. Here write Q plus R. Here write R plus P. Here write Y plus Z. Here write Z plus X. B plus C, C plus A, Q plus R, R plus P, Y plus Z, Z plus X. Here written C3 goes to. This means that changes will occur in third column here. There will be no changes in first column and second column. That's why the first column and second column I have reflected here as it is. Let us see. C3 goes to C3 minus C1 plus C2. So here write C3. C3 goes to, in place of C3, in the elements of C3, if I take A plus B, so here write A plus B. So A plus B minus is there, right here minus. In bracket C1, the corresponding element of A plus B in the first column will be B plus C. Right here B plus C plus the corresponding element of A plus B in second column will be C plus A. Right here C plus A. Do the operation. C3 goes to A plus B minus B minus C minus C minus A. This one will be cancelled out. This one will cancel out. We will get here minus 2C. Minus 2C. So here in place of C3, in place of A plus B, I shall write here minus 2C. Write here minus 2C. Again, for this element, I shall write C3 goes to, for this element, if I take the element of C3 as P plus Q, write here P plus Q. Minus, in bracket I shall write the corresponding element of P plus Q in the first column will be Q plus R. So here write Q plus R plus the corresponding element of P plus Q in the second column will be R plus P. So here write R plus P. Just expand this one, you will get here P plus Q minus Q minus R minus R minus P plus Q minus Q